It's a Hobby Lobby fabric haul, y'all. Hey friends, how about a quick little Hobby Lobby fabric haul? I've been shopping. They're having their 40% off this week, so I lucked out. I went in to buy thread and fabric for one project, but hey, when everything's 40% off, we're doing some shopping. I've got a pile here. I have another project in the works, and I have my kiddos are picking fabric via text, so we will hopefully have some more. So I'm probably going to be running back in a little bit, so this may be in two parts. We'll see. So let me show you what I've got. Do you remember the lemon dress I made with a little gingham check skirt? It was a skirt out of this. I bought some more for another project. So I have this, and I'm going to put it with this. So this is coming soon. I'm going to do some little baby projects along with those cute little things. I got just a little piece of this. It's got adorable little woodland animals on it for, again, baby projects. So what I started to say, that lemony dress with the gingham on the bottom, I'm going to take the yellow off because I never loved it and I struggled with it, and most of the remarks were get rid of the yellow ruffle, and I bought this plain eyelet lace. I bought this eyelet lace to replace that, so this is going to go on that. That's going to be something I'm going to be working on soon. So that's going to get fixed. Hooray. And of course I bought some thread for a project down here. Look at this. Look at this fabric. So it's a little bit heavy, but it's a real loose weave. I'm going to pre-shrink it here, and all of this is getting ready to go in the washing machine. I have a lot of green. If you haven't noticed, I do love green. So this is going to get washed, but I think I'm going to make myself either a summery little dress or top out of this. I bought 3 yards. We'll see how much it shrinks. The shrinkage will probably determine the project. And then I got these gauzes. Now I bought all they had left at my store to do a project that you will be seeing very soon. It was actually in my pattern haul. So I got these nice gauzes. Again, going to pre-shrink these really quickly before I work on them. Bought a little extra. This is supposed to be washed in cold, line dry. That's what the recommendations are. All of these were 40% off. So it's not itemized, but I spent $63 for all of that, plus 2 spools of thread that were not on sale. So that's quite a bit of fabric. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 5 projects for that. I will be going back to I have that really cute men's shirt pattern that I showed in my pattern haul a while back, and I think I found fabric for it. The kiddo that's going to be wearing it is picking out fabric by a text. I've been sending them pictures and they've been looking at it, so I'm going to go back and pick it up while it's on sale and get the fabrics for that. So here's a sneak peek at what's coming up in projects. So if I go get the shirt fabric, it'll come now, and you'll see that too. These next few pictures are the ones that I sent to my kiddo to choose from for the project. So I'm putting them up so you can also see what we were looking at. These are all, for the most part, a duck weight, which is a heavy woven, kind of a plain woven fabric. I'm using it to make a button-down style shirt. They are lovely. I'm very pleased with the weight and the quality, the interesting texture and textile. They're just neat fabrics. I bought from this selection is the green and white that I show in this video, and there happens to be one that's blue and white that is really cool too. I'll put in a picture of it right here. Anyway, these are what we were looking at, and you'll see now which ones they chose. Okay, I'm changed because it's day 2, but I went back and got the stuff after I've heard back from my kid, still in the sack, and got the stuff for the last project that's coming up. Pardon all the noise from the sack. I am filming this without a mic, so I hope this is not just horrible. We will find out. So again, 40% off. So the fabrics, I got 1.5 yards of each. They ended up being at $9 for 1.5 yards for each one. Buttons were on sale. So these $2.99 buttons were only 99 cents. They're super cute. Get my face out of the way. Anyway, they're really cute and they're for this. I'm going to be using these two together. Isn't that cute? So these are getting ready to be pre-washed. Let me show you. I've already washed everything from that I filmed yesterday, or from just a few minutes ago for you. So let me get that real quick and show you how that looks. So here's this one. It washed up beautifully. I am so excited to sew this. I love it so much. Yep, it's ready to go. So this one's going to be cut out soon. These gauze, I washed them on delicate and dried them on delicate. So it was cold, short cycle, and they fluffed up. They're like super light and fluffy. It made them a little denser, not quite as see-through. For this white one, it was a little bit sheer, and it still is, but not quite as sheer. And then look at the teal one. They feel great. These would make great little swaddling blankets for babies. I'm going to be making clothing out of. You've seen this one before, and I've washed it up before. Washes up great. It does wrinkle a bit, but that's fine. And of course, flannel, cotton flannel. Now, cotton flannel usually shrinks quite a bit. This one's not too bad, but everything washed up beautifully. So I'm chuffed about that. I'm going to go wash those heavier. It's ducking, it's duck weight. It's a little bit looser weave, so I think it's going to be great because I am going to use it for clothing. So stay tuned. You're going to see a lot of these. Actually, I'm getting ready to cut out the gauze, I think, tomorrow. I'm struggling a little bit because I'm also really excited about the black and white project, but I think the gauze is coming up next. So be watching for all of these things soon in a project near you. We're going to add one more clip to the end of this video. So you're getting 3 days worth of outfits from me. I'm in my Sewist t-shirt. If you are enjoying my videos and you'd like to come and hang out with creative sewists down in the comments, I would ask you to please like and subscribe. It would really help my channel and would help more people who are interested in sewing tutorials or similar content find me so that we could grow our community. Thanks so much. See you next week for another fun video.